에티오피아 협곡에서 임무를 수행 중인 스나이퍼들.
Movement. 2 men.
They're not on anybody's side. We don't have to shoot them.
No one can track you through the water except the fish. Sarah's headed off to nursing school next week.
This is TS-129, over.
Friendly forces moving towards extraction point.
Forces approaching TS-129 at their 12 o'clock.
Range it.
870 yards and closing.
On target.
Command post, this is Viper. Hostile threat down, over.
그렇게 무사히 임무가 끝난 줄 알았으나
Larger hostile forces approaching your sector Bravo.
Viper, enemy forces have been stopped. Indirect fire from hostile troops.
Shut it down. Only trained men 8 kilometers inside a country. Let's go!
그런데 상부에서는 이들을 가차없이 버려버렸고
The comlink's dead. Left us here. Don't worry, we're getting home.
결국 동료 도니가 당하고 말았습니다. 스웨거는 복수를 위해 헬리콥터와의 전투를 시작했고 뛰어난 저격 실력으로 헬리콥터를 격추하는 데 성공하죠. 시간이 흘러 미국으로 돌아온 스웨거는 산속 깊은 곳에서 조용히 지내고 있었습니다.
Come on, boy. Come on, Sam.
Good boy. Good boy. Let's see what lies they're trying to sell us today.
그렇게 스웨거가 평화롭게 지내는 동안
Gunnery Sergeant Bob Lee Swanger.
Went in unfriendly territory on a lone out and left his best friend and spotter was killed.
한편 CIA에서는 스웨거에 대해 논의 중이었는데
Rosen shoots his own food. Some people don't know what to do when their belief system collapses.
You sure, boy?
이어 존슨 대령은 스웨거를 직접 찾아왔습니다.
You guys turn around and go back to wherever you came from.
Come a long way to see you. We have some business need your attention.
Slow draw you got there. Sure you want to do that?
Take your hand off your weapon, Sergeant. Doesn't have to bury you in the heel. Give me 5 minutes.
Yeah, your dog stays outside.
I need you to plan a presidential assassination. It's going to be an attempt on the life of the president in the next. The president has 3 public engagements.
부탁하는 내용은 저격의 예상 위치를 파악해달라는 것이었고
I'm not entirely convinced that a shot like this could...
You know what it takes to make a shot at that range? There's a 6 to 10 second flight time, so you have to shoot it where the target's going to be. I believe there's a shooter involved capable. You got a real problem. You need to find the shooter. Like the president much. Didn't like the one before that much.
I believe he stood before a flag. I don't want you to turn on the TV next week. See the president dead.
비록 버림받았더라도 그의 안에는 애국심이 여전히 남아있었고
Is that the new one? The truck.
8-liter V8. You mind? I'll take a picture.
Someone will be at this number night or day.
You see what he did? He didn't need a photo of the engine.
Backed up far enough to take a picture of the plate.
Just doesn't know it yet.
(3년) 만에 총을 꺼내든 스웨거. 오랜만의 임무에 사실 조금은 흥분되고 있는 스웨거였죠.
Be able to tough it out without me for a couple days.
그는 새 장소에 대한 답사를 시작했고
Before you stands Independence Hall.
Out of the 3 cities, there's only one with a reasonably high chance.
최적의 장소로 필라델피아를 지목했습니다.
It's 1 of 6 possible locations, approximately 5 stories above the president. Shot requires a large caliber weapon. Expect the bullet to be handmade.
You can kill him from that far away.
Challenge is the wind. He's going to need indicators between the podium and the shooting.
Impressive recon and report, son. We'll have 6 3-man teams standing by on the day.
Look.
Listen, I could use a spotter.
결국 그는 현장에도 직접 나서 도움을 주기로 결정했고 얼마 후 디데이가 되었습니다.
President speaks in 20 minutes. Notify our teams.
Stand by all teams. This is listing post. Stand by. Yes, I have a clear line of sight.
All clear. There's really nothing going on here.
These are great times. That your country...
Yellow ribbons, the windage flags. Rough location, how to put him in for a shot from the steeple.
Right before the shot is taken, when his focus is elsewhere.
Say again. Flashlight has arrived.
Timmons, our local resource. Real honor to meet you.
You were unsnapped, officer.
Shit.
Got our guy in the collar?
The Archbishop of Ethiopia. The president speaks next.
Got wind at 3, full value.
드디어 대통령의 연설이 시작되며 긴장감이 극도로 높아졌고
He's loaded. Altitude, humidity, temperature. You gotta take him.
Send in the ERT team. Take out the steam.
그런데 갑자기 경관은 스웨거를 공격했죠.
Flashlight down.
How could you fucking miss?
어째서인지 CIA는 처음부터 스웨거를 제거할 목적이었고 심지어 그가 저격을 한 것처럼 현장을 조작해버리니 상황을 모르는 FBI가 스웨거를 쫓기 시작합니다.
They shot me. FBI, put your hands up. Give me your keys. I didn't shoot the president. Simmons was a setup.
CP-17, can you repeat possible suspect?
그런데 이번 저격의 희생자는 대통령이 아니라 대주교였고
About fleeing and stolen FBI vehicle.
Be advised that the suspect is fish 419. I'm heading south on Charles. 6B11, James David Evans, over.
그는 세차장에서 필요한 응급조치를 하는데
Wait, so unless he can stop the bleeding without going to the hospital or a doctor.
하지만 그 사이 이미 추격이 따라붙어 있었죠.
I want the banks of this river lined for 30 miles.
As the net begins to tighten nationwide, there is still no...
was assaulted and disarmed by Swagger.
You have embarrassed this office.
Force Recon, Marine Scout Sniper disarmed me 3 weeks out of the academy. Why did he say he didn't shoot the president? Also, he said Timmons was a setup.
Given your official statement yet, because I would be very cautious.
바꾼 차량으로 겨우 탈출에 성공한 스웨거. 그는 한 가게에 들렀고
Can't sell you nothing. Just lost our
Please,
power.
all I need is a marinade needle, some salt, some sugar.
가게의 전기를 끊고 응급처치에 필요한 물품들을 구입합니다.
The Wind River range of Wyoming, as no sign of Swagger has been found.
처음부터 모든 게 계획되었던 것이었고
She thinks it was him, but it was dark because the power was out in the store.
But what's with the sugar?
Sugar's been used to treat battlefield wounds.
한편 FBI 요원 닉은 이번 사건의 이상함을 느끼고 있었죠. 스웨거는 동료였던 도니의 아내 사라를 만나러 왔고
You're Bob Lee, Swagger, Donnie's old partner.
Look, you're a nurse, right?
No, that was Donnie's dream. I couldn't.
Please. I didn't do whatever they said I did. You still figure on shooting me? That shotgun's a little long to bring up fast.
Pull the truck in the garage. The neighbors will be up in a minute.
다행히 사라가 스웨거를 돕기로 결정했죠.
Should have come and seen you in person.
Yeah, I read the letter. And once a year, I got the flowers. Well, aren't you? So how is it I'm supposed to help you?
You can do a running cross stitch. You gotta try to spread it out. It's gonna look odd you buy it all in one place.
You never left.
Everyone keeps telling me I'm crazy.
한편 닉은 밤새 조사해보니 이번 사건이 더욱 이상하다 확신했고
Ballistics diagram got here 22 minutes after the shooting. How did they get a reverse azimuth 10 minutes after that?
이어 스웨거의 과거 사격 대회에 대해 언급하는데
5 shots, an inch and a half spread, an inch and a half. That's the flag behind the president. Does a man who do that miss by 2.5 feet? You know, I saw Timmons interviewed. He said he was walking foot patrol. No sniper sticks his rifle out of a window. I'm gonna talk to Timmons.
No, you're not. Timmons was killed by a mugger in an
In a
alley.
conspiracy, all loose ends are trimmed.
I stopped the bleeding temporarily. Cut out and scrub away anything that's dead. You ready for this?
2.5 days, shot twice, no sign. Tear apart his life again.
Okay.
Something I need to tell you. Ralphie's dead.
심지어 스웨거의 하나뿐인 가족인 강아지까지 죽인 그들.
It's a good dog. Raising from a pup.
What are you gonna do?
Burn their playhouse down.
그 시간에도 닉은 혼자 조사를 이어나가고 있었는데
You have a boyfriend? Just wonder if I'm gonna have to shoot somebody who walks through that door without knocking.
Nothing steady, no boyfriend.
Not bad. You know, you would have made one hell of a nurse. It's really brave what you did. I better get to it. In the meantime, they need someone else to find and give them him.
사라는 복수를 준비하는 스웨거를 적극적으로 도와주었고
The gun Donnie learned to hunt with when he was a kid.
Sure.
Yeah. Why'd you go?
You know which buttons to press. I'll sit up in my chair and say which way you want me to go. Yeah, I got a plan. I'm gonna need your help.
I'll do it.
Look, it was my fault. You know, with Donnie, I should never have.
Don't you try and take that away from me. He loved what he did. No one made him do it.
I'm sorry, I tried.
다음날 사라는 닉에게 접근했고
You know what that is? Well, he's been staying with me.
Who's been staying with you? Bob Lee Swagger?
The plates are probably fake. Pretty sure the other number's real. You're gonna sit real still until I'm long gone.
그런데 주변에 있던 경찰이 스웨거를 발견했고
Excuse me, sir. Can I see some ID, please? Sir, I'm gonna need you to take off your hat. Take your hat off, asshole!
무사히 탈출에 성공합니다. 사무실로 돌아온 닉은 전달받은 차량의 고유 번호를 조회해보는데 자신의 권한으로는 불가능했고 결국 선배를 찾아가 도움을 요청해봅니다.
I think that CNN got the tapes already edited together to show.
선배 또한 닉의 이야기를 듣고 이 사건을 조심히 알아보고 있었죠.
The A6 job comes with Delta clearance.
하지만 닉의 움직임이 CIA에게 포착되었고
This is a Delta level clearance request. Out of the FBI field office in Philadelphia, there's only one guy who met with Swagger before he disappeared.
Nicholas Memphis.
Hey!
Memphis.
For a man who didn't know much, you sure took a long.
결국 그는 붙잡혀 죽을 위기에 처하게 됩니다.
Flush them drugs out of your system full of the same shit the agents.
Do a real touching suicide note too. Quit your struggling.
그런데 어디선가 저격이 날아오기 시작했고 그자의 정체는 바로 스웨거였습니다. 여기까지 모두 닉을 미끼로 이용한 스웨거의 계획이었고
You shut me up, you used me as bait.
Flushed him out, didn't it?
Prove it, you didn't shoot the Archbishop.
I don't think you understand.
In the end, the law is over.
In the end, the law will never catch and hold. You sure as hell I mean to see it through. So you get it straight. You in or you out.
I'll take his legs.
It's a good call, Pork.
Distance of about 200 yards.
Swagger's alive.
Nick Memphis hasn't come back to the office.
I just went over Swagger's financials again. Donnie Fenn's widow. Anniversary of his death.
그런데 이번엔 사라가 CIA에 노출되어 버리고 맙니다.
What are you waiting for? Take the jet.
그 시각 닉과 함께 스웨거는 어디론가 향하고 있었는데
I think we're here. Hey, who is this guy?
This guy was the greatest gunsmith east of the Mississippi.
You boys come a long way. What you looking for?
Wisdom. That man wanted to fire a bullet from one rifle and have it match exactly to another. Could that be done?
Kind of thing ain't been done in a long time, though. Look on your left there. Second shelf down there 15 years ago. Don't figure it's moved since then. Paper patching. Screws would match. Paper unwinds at the muzzle.
I was looking for a man to make a 2200 yard goes alive that could do that.
Said the guy's name was Bob Lee Swagger.
Somebody other than him?
There was one guy. He don't shoot no more. The other side wanted him. Bad. They quit the subtle tactic. Called in an artillery strike. Some say he crawled out of it. Some say he died.
Met the son of a bitch.
그런데 이번에 대통령 암살 수비 작전을 돕던 중에 스웨거는 이번 사건에서 실제로 저격을 했던 자를 만났었던 것이 떠오르죠.
Hey, it's me, Nick.
Do you have any idea?
I need you to find someone, Michaela Serbiak.
Swagger is gonna go with what he knows. He'll try to track you. Sometimes to catch a wolf, you need to tie the bait to a tree.
And what happens to the bait?
Hard to say, but that's the nature of being the bait.
Hey, it's Nick. Did you find him?
He's in Virginia.
Swagger is still alive.
Oh my. Do kill him.
Good night, Senator.
한편 혼자 있던 사라에게 CIA의 사람들이 왔고
Hello? Someone there?
그녀는 불길한 기운을 감지합니다.
Give me that. I don't want you to hurt yourself. Where's your boyfriend?
사라의 상황을 모른 채 미케일로와의 전투를 준비 중인 스웨거.
You got your list, right?
Yeah.
Alright, you make sure you stick to it. Napalm on the first 4, pipe bombs on the rest of them. Keep shooting, don't let anything distract you. Didn't I say don't let anything distract you?
You got 3 guards. Danger close, 2 o'clock, 50 yards.
빠르게 첫 번째 경호원을 제거했고
You got one right on you. 20 yards and closing.
경호원들을 하나하나 제거해가며 폭탄을 준비해둡니다.
Swagger, you got one above you in the roof.
마침내 미케일로를 만날 수 있었고
You killed all three?
I want Johnson's real name. I want to know who he works for.
그는 체념하듯 자신이 아는 정보를 스웨거에게 넘겼죠.
Johnson's had a lot of names. They came for me, like they came for you. They like the wounded. And then throw away.
The Archbishop?
Want to take all suspicions away when you should.
사실 그 작전은 처음부터 대주교를 사살하는 것이 목적이었는데
No matter how horrible, never really happens without
What
the.
exactly happened in Africa?
미국은 송유관 건설을 반대한 아프리카 시민들을 학살했었고
They didn't ask. They just killed them.
이 사실을 은폐하기 위해 대주교까지 살해한 것이었습니다.
There is a mass grave, 400 bodies. You should know. You covered the retreats of the contractors.
Who runs Johnson?
Senator from Montana. There is no head to cut off. It's a conglomerate. The others betray him. You can't kill that with a gun.
대화 중 스웨거의 예상대로 CIA 병사들이 몰려왔고
Swagger, gotta get out of there.
By the way, they got your woman.
Go to hide too.
Roger that. Reposition 2.
Hold the pipe bombs outside of my call, okay?
2, 1. Hit it. Hit the napalm. Got a bug out on my go behind that barn. Gotta cut it to that tree line. All right, go! Time to go!
See this weird shootout in Virginia?
이번 사태는 윗선에도 빠르게 전해졌죠.
I'm beginning to think that you were the wrong man for the job. Fuse soul that thinks that one man can. That's the hassle with democracy.
스웨거는 존슨이 직접 자신에게 전화할 수 있게끔 만들었고
Swagger?
Colonel Johnson here.
Figured you'd be listening.
I have something you want.
It seems so do I.
스웨거가 꺼내든 카드는 시신 400구가 묻어있다는 녹음 파일이었죠.
Where are we meeting?
Somewhere I can see you.
스웨거는 조건으로 의원까지 현장에 불러냈고
Well, I'm here.
He's here.
그런데 스웨거는 함정을 예상하고 닉을 먼저 보냈죠.
I think I broke a rib.
주변에 저격수들을 하나하나 제거해가는 스웨거.
Shoots me! Spasm kills her!
그 시각 FBI에는 하나의 택배가 도착하는데
Nice shooting, Gunny.
Yeah, you got what you came for. Why don't we think about all this that is? You have a rather unique skill set. I'd be interested. You might as well be on the side that gets you well paid for your.
You sanctioned the mass murder of an entire village so a pipeline could go.
That no one chops off their arm. They like us down there, boys. This is about freedom. It's not about oil. Because it's a lie. Are you on the inside or are you on the out?
It's the FBI!
I don't think so, Senator.
That proved you were innocent!
Nobody out here is the authorities. It's just gonna disappear along with us. I'm just a peckerwood who lives in the hills with too many guns.
Shoot a sitting U.S. senator?
Let him go.
스웨거는 법이 이들을 심판할 것이라 생각하죠.
You can talk as much as you want, but in the end, you're gonna die by lethal. I won. You lost.
얼마 후 스웨거는 법무장관 앞에 오게 되었고
Hey, free my hands, please. It's okay.
I'm sorry about everything.
It's not your fault. It is what it is.
Senator Meacham couldn't be with us today.
이곳에 의원은 없었고 존슨만이 있었습니다. 스웨거는 이곳에서 자신의 무죄를 증명해야 했고
This is my weapon. No question about it. Don't deny it.
Was, however, an exact metallurgical match.
Special Agent Memphis, you believe I shot that Archbishop?
No, I don't.
Really trust me?
Yeah.
What the hell are you doing? Put that weapon down.
I swapped all the firing pins before I left the house. I always do. Out of that bishop was fired from my weapon, but a week before at a can of stew. At the end of the day, when all the dust settles, you can't hide from the truth.
Nice presentation, but none of it sticks to me.
Just take a look at these. Showing a village of people in Africa.
This is in the Horn of Africa.
These events occurred in another country outside of our laws. Have the jurisdiction to detain the colonel for crimes he may or may not have.
Again.
무죄를 증명했으나 존슨에게 법의 심판을 내리지 못했습니다.
For the record, I don't like the way this turned out anymore. Justice does not always prevail. Bob Lee Swagger, you're free to go.
I said that's quite a shot, Senator. In the face. You should have seen the look on the Attorney General's face.
법의 심판을 피한 의원과 존슨.
You're gonna be out of the country in the morning. Going to Equest, did you?
하지만 이들에게 스웨거가 벌을 내리기 시작합니다.
He's under the floor! United States Senator.
여기까지 영화 더블 타겟이었습니다.